revelation, revelation, nude, revelation, nude, sovereignty, sovereignty, bomb or long run, sovereignty, bomb or long run, justification, justification, latuka, rach mutok, mitelereda kach, justification, latuka or raj mutok, mitelereda kach, sanctification, sanctification, mishalak, kacha jaka wich, mitel duer, michalak, kacha jaka wich, mitel duer, sanctification. Intercession, intercession is emi pali ke kwira adodien ko ba duer ke palika, emi pali ke kwira adodien ko ba duer ke palika, intercession, emi pali ke kwira adodien ko ba duer ke palika. A disciple, disciple, jak, lad raikot, jak, lurne disciple. Fellowship, fellowship, mat, mat tilet kel, mat tilet kel, ke mat, fellowship. Stewardship, stewardship, yob kwakni, yob kwakni, or yob ngwani, stewardship, yob kwakni, ke yob ngwani. Testimony, testimony, latran, katin, chitwo kaja, ladran, katin, chitwo kaja, testimony, testimony, laran, katin, chitwo kaja. Compassion, compassion, enyot, shienga, mugwa, karamshuch, enyot shienga mugwa karamshuch, compassion, compassion, enyot shienga mugwa karamshuch, kia karami tel duor, kia ramete guadme benmeteten, no. Here, revelation is a nude. Revelation, revelation, Lord and nude. Revelation is, or the meaning of revelation is nude. Sovereignty, 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 a bomb ke longran. Sovereign country, chidwiran kon bomb. Sovereignty, chereka bomb longkaran. Bomb ke longran, chale sovereignty, sovereignty. Justification, justification, latuka, latuka, ki raj mutok, mitelereda kach. Miladi raj mitelereda kach, you are justifying something. Justification, latuka, ki raj mutok, mitelereda kach. Michalat, chale justification. Sanctification, sanctification, michalak kasha jaka wich, mitelbir. Misha sanctify, misha realeka, chajalak, chadwerka chakawuch. Sanctification, misha lak, ke chajagunojan telejadwer. No, misha jaka wich, mea jaw wich o teledwer, jalorkamoka sanctification. Intercession, intercession, mi pali ke kwira adadien ko ba dwer ke paleka, ke ba paleka manante kajan. Intercession chede ke mediator la ramnante kamnat. Shualedi shuale intercession. Ramte kamnat shuale intercession ala mediator. Emi pali ke kwira adadien ko ba dwer ke palika. Namo shualedi shuale intercession. Disciple, disciple, the meaning of disciple is jak. Jak chetke jak Yeshu. La roainukot jak. Disciple, jak, la lat, roine ki disciple jen is singular, she disciple is. Disciple is jak, mungwan ka bakul chol disciple is, la bakul chol jak. Fellowship, fellowship, math, math, fellowship, math. Manitilet kel, fellowship. Fellowship, math nijan. Math, ki manitilet kel, fellowship. Stewardship, stewardship jen. Yob kwang ni ki yob ngwani. Rami yob ngwa ki yob kwak. Temishal stewardship. Stewardship yob kwang ni ki yob ngwani. Testimony, testimony. Laran ke teach it work. Testimony. Laran ke teach it work. Mite teach it work jiku ke larar. Guru ba akangach. Shwale testimony. Iran you gonna tell me your testimony. Lami dong te mi shalat ke jemo gwa ki te mi je shalat ke je kan dia shwale ke testimony. Ladran ke teach it work je. Min ladikana shwale testimony. Compassion. Compassion me chere ke siang mo gwa. Anyot siang mo gwa ka rami shuch. No mite ne di shuch chigale lokki ladikeka shwale compassion. Sian mo gwa mi she nyot na shwale compassion na mo. Mi chira den che long mi shuch a compassion. Chi dier ke tega dan an tega ja. Shwale compassion. One more time. I'm gonna do this. Here we have revelation. The meaning of revelation is youth. The meaning of revelation is youth in your language. The meaning of sovereignty, bomb or long run. The meaning of justification, latsuka, roine, mutok, betel reida kach, justification, sanctification, misha lak, kacha jaka wiwich, betel duer, sanctification, intercession, mi pali, ke kwira da dien ko ba duer ke palika, ke dier ke riegadaran shijak, bi chong kwide, chale mediator, ke ramuchung, kam ram makan ram da dien, birarien bi right bi ko kono lat, chale intercession. Cheng tem lat ke ne ja ka jiram dala la mishna bani na jing na ka kwer bina pino jing na ka kwer je jiram da na kon bani bu ko right karam mi chale intercession mo mi pali ke kwira da dien ko ba duer ke palika, lady la intercession ke mediator. Disciple, jack, lad raikot, disciple, fellowship, math njan, manitilet kel, to control math, fellowship, stewardship, yob kwakne, mi yob kwak, yob kwakne chale stewardship, chaji mo kamu gwa ambilat, dan le jogono yob kwakne and mi yob ka gwa no mo chale stewardship, yob kwakne. Testimony, laran katin shit wakaja, mladi tichit wakaji, testimony du dala rami misi shuiten, dala mo gwa misi ko dalet kaji, dala te ko kien te dong de lat, ka ta andana chi siang chi kaja, jal testimony ladran kati shit wakaja. Compassion gwa da me anyot siang mo gwa karamisuch, minyo de siang mo gwa loga ramisuch, namo compassion. Miraji gwa ka do mi mo shiga ka je no compassion alo anyot siang mo gwa minyo siang mo gwa jinti ka nguti ka compassion. This is it. Channel reality channel ngeja wala en ban nyojik ka another lesson. Please do not forget to follow or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. Let's meet on the next lesson. Bye. Creator check, creation check, gospel raikot, scriptures raisnikot, prayer lang, sacrifice tumni karo, apostle jack, ministry lat raikot, prophecy rainukot teacher lat ibitwok rainukot teacher lat ibitwok ke rainugung ne teacher lat ibitwok, eternity shang mutalgut ke manachang, eternity shang mutalgut ke manachang. Creator malode ni check creator check creator check ramen chak na ke ko da chak na. Creation chuck. Creation, chuck. No, chuck and chuck now. Gospel, gospel. Raikot, gospel raikot. Scripture, scripture. Raj nikot. Scripture, Raj nikot. Prayer, prayer, lang, lang. Sacrifice, tobni karo, sacrifice, tobni karo. Apostle, Jack, apostle Jack. Ministry, lat raikot, lat raikot. Prophecy, Roisni kot teacher lat bituok, ke roini gogni teacher lat bituok. Eternity, shang metelgut, ke man shankel. Shang metelgut shall eternity. We are going to repeat it again. Creator angulodamo. Creator is Chuck. Creator Chuck. Creation mean Shuck. Creation Shuck. Gospel, gospel. Raikot. Gospel is Raikot. Scripture, scripture. Raish nikot. Scripture Rai nikot. Prayer lang. Prayer lang. Sacrifice tobnikaro. Tobnikaro. Sacrifice tobnikaro. Apostle Jack. Apostle Jack. Ministry lat raikot. Lat raikot. Prophecy. Prophecy Raish nikot. Tisha ladibituo ke Rai gogni. Prophecy Rai nikot. Tisha ladibituo ke Rai gogni. Eternity. Eternity lodani shang miselgut. Manish shang kel, like eternity shang metal good. Please follow for more.